Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here with another video. Starting off today here on the beautiful Avenida de Rufasa. Just flip you around, show you whereabouts we actually are. So just right there and to the right, if you follow the road up, it brings you to all the busy crossings and up by like Saltoki Cafe and the bridge over the Iglesias Park. Inside we're going this way, down past the shirt shop, uniform shop, down past my favourite shop as well, for Culture Doors. Just have a quick nose, because you never know what they got in. Tons of good stuff. Very good shop. Have a quick nose in this bit. Very good shop, guys. Gonna carry on down here. Down by the PC box. That is so cool. I think I say that every time we come down here, to be honest, guys. But I mean, just look at that. How much detail must have gone into that is amazing. Gonna carry on down. Gonna maybe cross over, head off down one of the many alleyways on here. Keep an eye on safe. Slightly cooler day today, possibly within maybe high 20s. It has been going a lot sort of cooler as of late. Probably because we are, of course, nearing the bare months. Now, I know that you're thinking, what the hell are the bare months? September, October, November, December. So yeah, starting to go slightly cooler. Think it will probably be a coldish winter this year. We had an absolute terrific summer, so yeah, cold winter to pay for it. But then again, as you know, the Benidorm weather always unexpected, so yeah, might end up having Christmas dinner on the balcony once again. Hopefully, he says. Crucible shop there. Think that might be a charity shop or something. Clothes shop or something. Going to cut off down onto Thomas or Tuno. Just be careful up there, guys, because it's still got plenty of cars coming up, even though it is a pedestrian area, which is annoying. Like you're trying to walk and you've got a car up behind you. Sake, mate. I mean, yeah, you've got apartments around here, but why not put the garage access, oh, I don't know, on the main road? Then again, I suppose, as I've always said, Thomas or Tino did actually used to be a road, so yeah, they probably never really thought about like redoing the garage access for some of the apartments once it were fully made pedestrianised. Anyway, guys, while I'm here, just like to give a huge thanks to everyone for all the support I've been getting onto cocktail feeds lately. Hope you are enjoying them, and of course there will be plenty more to come. Some easy cocktails and some not so easy cocktails. Oh, sure we have shops open again. Thought that had shut down. So yeah, just stay tuned for the vids, guys. You will learn some stuff. Some cocktails may be easy for you to make at home. Some probably not so easy. Gonna cut off down this alley now, down past the old kebab shop. I may be mixing it up with these videos as well by throwing a few things in that may not be considered a cocktail. So, yeah, stay tuned. Think within the next video though I may actually have to dig out the cocktail mixer, make it the first time ever using it. Hopefully I don't do what Matteo done on Benidorm when he had the cocktail competition against Jack and the lid flew off. Hopefully that don't happen to me, guys. Got a adult cinema there. I'm not sure if that's shut down now or what. A lot of places are sort of changing around here. This shop here used to be like a comic shop, anime type shop, and now it's a supermarket. Gonna carry on down this alley, down through the beautiful old town. Absolute gorgeous. What I love about Old Town as well is when you see like the old-fashioned sort of road signs, Calle de los Naranjos. Oh, absolutely beautiful, really old-fashioned with the sort of tiles very nice. I think that's what makes Old Town the nicer area, because it is just sort of nice and quiet, quite so central and peaceful, tranquil. Another outright sign up there, Cara de Santiago. Just tons of stuff, and I mean, even though it is sort of been modernised with like big, massive meaty aircon units and of course satellites, still keeps a bit of that old charm with the olden day sort of gas lamps up there, probably been refurbished a fair few times, maybe repaint done of them a few times just to keep that nice old touch to them. And you got all the balconies of people's apartments sort of overlooking the street, looking onto each other. And well, as I've always said, guys, don't be afraid to walk off the beaten track, because you never know, you may find a hidden gem. The Lion Bar as well, that used to be the Four Seasons restaurant. Walking straight on. Gonna have to find somewhere to park myself to rent the video. And I'm trying to find something of interest. I got a spider. Haven't they like a medieval thing going on in there? Very interesting. Very nice little bar as well from that other, but the prices of stuff in there, not the best, but I hope anyhow. Thanks for watching another brilliant video, guys. As I said before, stay tuned for more brilliant content, as well as the fabulous crazy I can't even talk, and I ain't even had an alcoholic drink yet. Rewind. Start again. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. As I said earlier, stay tuned for much more brilliant content, such as the brilliant homemade cocktails at the homemade bar, Barker's Cocktail Bar. Stay tuned for more videos of that. Stay tuned for the live streams. Don't forget as well to check out my mother's channel, the beautiful Benidorm Scooter. So go give her some support and love. If you haven't already done so, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and as always, it's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise. Adios, mi amigos. Hasta luego.